Electromagnetic energy and supercharged particles are actually different in very interesting ways. Electromagnetic energy is essentially created by the acceleration or deceleration of various particles, where supercharged particles are essentially the fundamental constituents that go into creating that energy or creating that field. However, they also do have some interesting differences. So let's take electromagnetic energy, or light, or photons. They travel in what is called wave functions, essentially propagating waves, which is actually really cool and really spooky. So much so, I got phi tattooed, which essentially is a symbol that goes into quantum mechanics as far as like wave functions and that really spooky nature. But then you have supercharged particles that is essentially thought as point-like positions, unless you follow quantum field theory, which is like, hey, particles are illusionary and symbolic of different energy levels in different quantum fields, but we can put that aside for right now. But they also have, other than travel, there's also some other interesting differences, and that is how they affect our planet. So electromagnetic energy will affect the conditions that we notice here on life, mostly. So our climate is dictated by various amounts of electromagnetic energy, and how our technology also, our technological efficiency is dictated by electromagnetic energy and radiation. Where supercharged particles essentially affect the conditions outside of our planet, you know, like the radiation, the Van Allen radiation belts, and our magnetosphere, the auroras that we can actually see. So it's very interesting to think that the building blocks, the constituent pieces of certain energy, and that energy have two different roles to play when it comes to living on this planet. They find a delicate balance of the situation that we are not only confined to, but the situation that our species has adapted to, and it is very interesting.